Hello Facebook. Hi everybody. Jamie here, and I am on location at Springbrook Hollow Farm Distillery. I am going to change this around now. Oh, I hope I can do that. All right, there we are. Sorry I'm out in the sun. We just got done with a quick little tasting. I'll give everybody a moment to join in. I see that I am live now. That is Frankie back there. She just gave us an awesome tasting tour. She's been working here at the distillery for over 4 years or so. And I'm just gonna give you a quick little tour. People are joining me now. Hello, hello, thanks for joining. I am at Springbrook Hollow Distillery. And we just got done with an awesome tasting. We are on location today. We are at this awesome distillery. So I'm going to take you inside. There might be some talking just because there's other people here as well. And so let's see. So, all right. So I'm not going to be making a cocktail today because I'm actually drinking a cocktail. So I am drinking this awesome gin. Is the gin here somewhere? Well, we're gonna grab a bottle so you can see it. So Springbrook Distillery, Springbrook Hollow Distillery. We are in Lake George area, and I am drinking this Sly Fox gin. So Frankie made me a gin and tonic, from the Sly Fox. So thanks everybody for joining me. I see lots of people on. Hello Amanda, hello Cheryl, hello Robin. Hopefully you can hear me. It's a little bit loud in here. The distillery is just getting ready to close down. So I said, let us get a drink and let's do a little quick tour. And we did a tasting, and they're getting ready to close. So hello Irene. Thank you everybody for joining me. Totally appreciate it. So they're making some awesome things here. They are using this awesome spring water to make their liqueurs and things. This is awesome cowboy coffee liqueur. I really like that a lot. We're going to bring that in so we can use that in our espresso martinis because those are awesome. We also tasted this great apple moonshine from them. And oh, this is really good. This limoncello. So this is an orange cello. Two Sisters, it's called. It's an orange cello. Marcus just put that in his drink, right? You put the orange cello with their bourbon, so they make
with their rye.
Oh, with their rye.
With their rye. Amazing. Really
good. So they did two parts. So we always have fun when we go to these distilleries. We always are trying new and different things, and obviously we're tasting new things to bring into the restaurant. So that is my Facebook Live today. Aroma Time is closed tonight. We're closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, so sorry to disappoint if you wanted to come in tonight, but we are closed Tuesday and Wednesday. We're up in Lake George with the kids. We took an opportunity. Our adult kids. It's really nice to be away with our adult kids and not have to change diapers and jump in the pool.
We have a DD.
So we have a DD today. We just got done.
His name is Justin.
We just got done with a 3-mile hike up to Prospect Mountain. It was 3 miles straight up, and then
2,400 square feet.
A mile and a half up to 2,400. A mile and a half down. So it was really awesome. And let's see, so check out some of these new products that we're going to get in. I definitely know we're going to probably get the limoncello and the orangecello.
Cowboy.
Definitely the cowboy, which I showed you already, the cowboy coffee. And that's it. So hope everybody has an awesome day. I'm drinking an awesome gin and tonic. And just wanted
Frankie, say hello?
She did already outside.
You did? Oh, you did say hello. Okay, cool.
Frankie said hello already. So we're going to enjoy our time with the kids. We're away till Thursday. We'll be back on Thursday. There's jazz Thursday.